Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting Channel. Today we are talking on 2022 Personal Tax Credits Return, TD1. So your employer or your payer will use this form to determine the amount of your tax deduction. So fill out this form based on the best estimate of your circumstances. If you do not fill out this form, your tax deduction will only include the basic personal amount estimated by your employer or payer based on the income they pay you. So you put in your last name, your first name, your date of birth, employee number, your address, postal code, and your social insurance number. So number one, basic amounts. Every resident of Canada can enter a basic personal amount of $14,398. However, if your net income from all sources will be greater than $155,625, you enter $14398. So you may have an amount owing on your income tax and benefit return at the end of the tax year. If your income from all sources will be greater than $155,625, you have the option to calculate a partial claim. Fill in the appropriate section of the form TD1, the worksheet. So we talk of the worksheet later. Number two, Canada caregiver amount for infirm under 18 years old. So elder parent may claim this 2350 for each infirm child that's born in 2005 or later, or that reside both throughout the year. So if the child does not reside with both parents throughout the year, the parent is entitled to claim the amount for an eligible dependent on line 8. So number three, age amount. So if you will be 65 years old or older on December 31st, 2022, your net income for the year from all sources will be $39,826 or less. Then you enter $7,898 for the age amount. If your net income for the year will be between $39,826 and $92,480, you want to calculate a partial claim using the worksheets. The number four, pension income amount. So if you receive regular pension income from a pension plan like CPP, Canada Pension Plan, QPP, Quebec Pension Plan, Old Age Security, or GISP, Guaranteed Income Supplement Payment, then you enter $2,000 on your pension income tax. Number five is tuition fee, whether full-time or part-time. So if you're a student, you enroll at a university and it's been certified by the Employment Social Development Canada, you may pay more than $100 for your tuition fee. Then you have to enter the total tuition fee that you pay. Number six, disability amount. So if you claim disability amount on your income tax benefit, you are going to use form T2201, disability tax credit certificate. So you enter 8870. Number seven, spouse or common law partner. So if you are supporting your spouse or your common law partner who live with you, whose net income for the year will be less than amounts on the effect, then you enter the difference between this amount, net income for the year. So amount for an eligible dependent. So if you do not have a spouse or common law and you support a dependent relative who live with you and whose net income for the year will be less than line 1, plus 2350 if they are infirm. And you cannot claim Canada caregiver amount for children under 18. You enter the difference between this amount and the estimate. Then number 9, Canada caregiver amount for eligible spouse or common law. So if at any time in the year you support an infirm eligible dependent 18 years older or an infirm spouse or common law for the year, you fill in line 9. Then number 10 is Canada caregiver amount for dependent 18 years older. So if at any time in the year you support an infirm dependent 18 years older, other than your spouse or your common law or eligible dependents, and you claim an amount on line 9, and you could have claimed an amount if the net income were under 16,748. Whose net income for the year will be 17670 or less. If the net income for the year will be between 17,670 to 519, then you want to calculate the partial claim on the TD1 worksheet. Then number 11, amount transfer from your spouse to common law. So if your spouse or common law will not use all of their age amount or pension amount or tuition amount or disability amount on their income tax benefit, then you enter the amount on use on line 11. Amount transfer from a dependent. If your dependent will not use all their disability amount on their income tax benefit, then you enter the amount on line 12. So the total amount, you add it up from line 1 to 12 to give you this total. So this is the procedure. Fill out this form if you have a new employer, you want to change the amount you claim on your return, you want to claim deduction for living in a prescribed zone, and you want to increase the amount of tax deduction at source. So you sign, date, and give it to your employer. And if you have more than one employer at the same time, you already claim personal tax on another TD form, TD1 form for 2022, you cannot claim it again. For your total income less than total claim amount, you check this box. So for non-resident only, so you fill in this box. So deduction for prescribed zone. So if you live in the Northwest Territory, so you fill in this form, this amount here, additional tax to be deducted. You fill in this amount and you sign and date your TD1 form. So thank you for coming to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you. Bye.